today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my 2016 Giant Rain. So pretty much we're going to start from the bottom to the top, make our way up to the bike, starting off with the tire. Maxxis GHR 2s, 2.4s in the back, DHF 2.5s up front. Next up we got the wheel set. I'm running the Uzi 345 Trails. I got them as a wheel set, and I paired it up with the Spinked Uzi Trail pedals. So in the rear suspension, I still have the Monarch R Debonair. So I did upgrade the shock to a Monarch RC3 Plus Debonair, and right now it's being maintenance right now. So once it's done, I'll be switching it over again. Up front, I have the RockShox Pike RC Solo Air 160 mils of travel, and I have a nice marsh guard. Sticker bombed it, looks pretty sick. So for the rear, I still have a 2x. It comes with the Shimano SLX Shadow Plus. And so far it's pretty good, but I'd like to upgrade it to a 1x. It comes with the MRP 2x guide. For the grips, I'm just running the Bear Claw lizard skin grips. And for the shifters, I'm just running the Shimano Dior 20 speed. The handlebar, I still have the Giant Contact SLDH 19mm rise, and it's 800 in length. And for the stem, I still have the Trivative Holzfäller. I don't know how to say that, but it's 40 mils. So some upgrades that I'd like to do is to switch the drivetrain to a 1x11. Definitely would be a lot better. I changed the bars. I still keep them the same length to 800, and I'd buy the Renthal Fat Bar. And I'd also pair it up with the Renthal Apex stem. And then I'd also think I'd upgrade that seat post to a 150 because it's a 125, and I feel like I need a little bit more stretch in my legs. That way the climbing's a lot easier. That's about it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the bike. And this is pretty much my dream bike right here, besides getting a downhill, which I would definitely love to get the V10. But that's about it. This concludes the video, and thanks for watching.